Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use filters in Canva. Let's say you made a very nice photo and you really want to tweak it a bit, then you can use it in Canva to actually make it look more like sepia or way nicer. Let's go for uploads, and I already picked this one from my Instagram. And how we want to, or how we gonna tweak it that we really like. Let's go for our top left corner. Next to effects there is filter. It's very basic option, and as you can see there's a couple of filters that you can use. I'm not really sure. Let's go for selfie. As you can see, it's already in selfie mode. There's a lot. There's much more yellow color. You can go even more yellowish. Go to Cali. There. It's completely up to grayscale to make it look like it's from 50s or 60s. It's really about your style, how you can tweak it. Well, that's about it. Hope it's helpful, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.